So this next study is kind of a one-off. It's the first year we've done this, was in 2021. We partnered with a company, Rantizo, to look at some UAV foliar applications.
Yeah, this is actually done a little bit more broadly than just our location, but I'm just presenting one location of data here. I know you had some down at Warrensburg also, but this is just a single location, just kind of get an idea. Can we spray with a drone, with a UAV, and get the same efficacy as we get with a ground rig? Mm-hmm. And so we looked at this in corn and in beans, you know, we saw a benefit from the fungicide in corn at this location, and we really didn't see much difference between the UAV application and the ground rig. Interesting thing is, with the UAV, we actually saw in both corn and soybeans slightly higher yield benefit at the 2 gallon per acre rate over the 3.5 gallon per acre rate, which I can't explain other than maybe the UAV was moving a little bit faster at the lower rate, and maybe that moving of the canopy gives some benefit, maybe additional disturbance in the canopy. And that could also explain why we saw slightly higher in that application than we did even in the ground rig. Soybeans, we didn't see a huge response from fungicide in this location this year.
Keep in mind, one location, definitely want to look at this type of trial, multiple locations, multiple years.
Yeah. It's just an interesting thing that we're working on. I thought it would be nice to share it with the viewers, and it's something that could really have applicability in a research setting. Can we use it to manage our research plots? Now, there's obviously some things that would need to be worked out before we look at this on a commercial scale.
Yep.